Welcome to Orange Connex. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to register your new account. First, visit the Orange Connex homepage. In the top right corner, select Sign Up to be redirected to the registration page. On the Sign Up page, enter your email address and password. Please select the country or region where your business is legally registered, not the fulfillment country you plan to establish in the future. Once your information is entered, confirm that you have read and accepted the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Then, complete the puzzle verification and click the Register button. A confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Simply click the link inside to verify your account and complete the setup. You will then be ready to log into the Orange Connex portal. You can log in using the link provided in the confirmation email, or by selecting the Login button in the top right corner of our homepage anytime in the future. After logging into the portal, you'll see a quick setup checklist. First, complete the account information section so we can verify your account. Please note that authentication can take 24 to 48 hours. You won't be able to create SKUs until this is complete. We'll send you an email the moment your account is approved. The remaining setup checklist items can only be completed after your account has been approved. Thanks for watching and happy shipping!